Hey everyone, welcome to Think STEM channel. If you ever wondered why we use parallel resistors or how to calculate their total resistance, this video is for you. We will build a simple parallel circuit to help you understand how resistors in parallel work. Let's get started. To do this experiment, you need one LED, 3 resistors. We use 3 1000 ohm resistors, jumping wires, breadboard, snap clip, and battery. Now set up this circuit like shown here. Now let's test the circuit. We use 3 resistors in parallel first. Pay attention to the brightness of LED as I pull out the resistor. Now 2 resistors in parallel. Now 1 resistor itself. As you will notice, the more resistors connect in parallel, the brighter the LED. That means there's less resistance in the circuit. Now let's calculate the total resistance of the 2 resistors in parallel. Replace R1 and R2 with 1000 and the total resistance is 500 ohms. If we connect the 3 resistors in parallel, we will need to replace R1, R2, and R3 with 1000. The total resistance is 1000 divided by 3 and equals to approximately 333 ohms. Now let's measure the total resistance of 2 resistors in parallel. 0.491 kilo ohm. That's 493 or 494 ohms. Now let's connect the 3 resistors in parallel. Measure the resistance, 329 ohms, which is very close to the results we calculate with the formula. To get better understanding, it would be better you build a parallel circuit with different value of resistors. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is learning electronics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a video. Thanks for watching.